Hi, I'm Kathy. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to plant a tomato transplant. Let's get started. This particular plant we've chosen has 3 stalks growing at once. While it may look great, they'll actually compete with one another for nutrients and possibly stunt fruit production, so leave the healthiest looking stalk. Trim away the branches off the lower half of the plant. We do this because these little hairs along the stem will root if you plant them deep enough. The more roots you have, the better the plant's ability to absorb nutrients and grow quickly. We're digging a deep hole in a full sun area in our prepped raised bed to accommodate about 2/3 of the total plant and root ball height. We recommend adding biotone to the soil to establish soil fertility and to help your plants absorb nutrients. Gently backfill the hole and tamp down the soil. Water thoroughly with root stimulator and continue to water regularly because tomatoes require consistent moisture to produce a better harvest. Once you start to see fruit, feed your tomatoes with biotone and continue to feed every 2 weeks after that. Apply mulch to conserve water loss and reduce weeds. And lastly, place your tomato cage or support structure in place as tomato vines can grow quite large. Thank you so much for watching and follow along for more great plant care videos.